what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, today topic na about all those women wey be say, all those old women wey be say they go dey carry small boys up and down and then because the repercussion later you will come backfire you wey be say you will come the reason what you do to yourself. My people, una listen to this story. All those women where they carry small boys, at the end the small boy can't go end up marry your daughter, you come they say no. Now because of una I want to do this topic today. My ogbonge people, una listen. This topic now about one lady. The woman, you get one guy in the guy, she dey send a message. If the boy want go Nigeria, go give her something. Say, let me give my children for Nigeria. The boy go see deliver and go give them. All the time, if they go Nigeria, he must give her something. May go give the woman. The woman will give her things. They go give the children for Nigeria, and so she dey always dey do am. So on one fateful day, the guy can't go Nigeria again. So as he go Nigeria, he can't give us things. He may go give his daughter. That daughter na fine girl. He can't go. The boy as the girl go, the boy as me go collect the things. The boy come rain, every rain come for that day. Every rain will be say the rain part two not day. So as the rain come for, she not gonna go as that day again. The girl come be say me go drop, and the girl come say no. Say you na akate, you will be jando. You know if you go drop me this night. If anything go happen to you now tomorrow, uncle, I beg you go wait, make the rain stop. Rain not gonna stop now. Madam can't sleep the guy house. The girl so can't sleep the guy house. As he sleep the guy house, not be something can't happen that night. They can't jogodo in with the guy. As the jogodo now, she not tell anybody the girl. From there, in with the boy can't begin the date. Anytime when the guy come, in with the boy, in with 12 the night the day. The boy now can't fall in love with the girl. He can't fall in love like seriously. Now be the boy called, they tell the girl say he want marry him. The way everything be now marry. And the girl can say me discuss with him mama. Now I can call him mama. Say that guy with the same message come Nigeria. That guy get wife for Italy. Now the mama can say why you they ask? He can say they ask because the guy they toast him. Now mama say no, if you agree for him, no try yourself no agree for him all those boys wey be say that they dey Europe so lie too full their mouth he get wife, he get children. And the girl can say and this guy not tell me. And the girl can call the guy say so that's how you be. So you mean say you get wife and be killer, you come dey lie to me for year. God forbid you know they marry you again. Then the boy can say never marry you now, lie your man tell you. Because he make you wait. If he come Nigeria, they'll talk him. As he come, he can't invite the girl. As he invite the girl, he can't call him mama. Because he not talk make I ask your mama. If not truth, say I don't really marry. Now he can't call the mama say as the British should have finished, come on about speaker. You can't say nah why you can't go there tell your daughter say I don't marry now? Because she tell you say I dey toast her. He say I beg. Not my pikin you want follow. You know go agree. I say, but you know say I never marry, I don't get any wife for Europe. Why you can't lie? You can say I know say you don't get any wife, but that date you know what? Now the girl can't hear with him mama talk for phone. Say mama lie to her. The boy never marry. From there they can't start. The love can't start again. The love can't catch fire. The love can't carry weight. They can't start. As they start now, the next thing belle can enter. As belle enter now the girl say the boy say want marry him. He can't go tell because the woman before she come Europe, with the girl papa not there again. So the family, the girl can't go tell the family of the papa say, see your mama say that line no go gree me marry this boy. You don't know the reason. You don't go tell her reason. So they come tell am say your mama no get say if you want marry. Now we get say no be your mama. Your man no get any say to talk say no go gree make you marry. Who your ma help? So they come talk like that. The girl can't really the battle one. Can't they want find that? What he make? You can't ask the boy any secret dey where they make mama they say no. The boy can't say no. So after much talk, many talk, the girl can't tell the boy say you must tell me. E get reason when mama they want, when mama they say you know go gree make I marry you. Tell me the reason. If you not tell me the reason, this marriage you not go work on. Tell me the reason. The boy can say you will forgive me. And God say I go forgive you. Tell me. And the boy can tell the girl say your mama and me for Europe. Say now because that time things rough and the mama now just take that advantage, take jogodo with the boy. Now mama even seduce the boy. They come jogodo 2 times. Now you cause some way your mother say, you know, go green, make I marry you. Then the girl can say, you mean now? Like seriously? You mean say you don't jogodo with my mama? Then the girl just run that night, Say the run, just run go hospital immediately. Say they remove the belly, can remove her. So as he remove the belly finish, she got the 6 months more for us. Even the boy sister can't even see they go there, go to take care of the girl. You know, but the girl don't know, the sister don't know say that the belly go remove her. Now she can't tell the papa family say she no want the marriage go wait first for now. Say the boy don't get chance for now. Now the excuse where she gonna give them now. That be that one. So, but the boy sister don't know. The boy sister say they go. All of them just like the girl. The boy even know. The girl come tell the boy say don't go do more. The boy see the same one marry him. Say I beg. Say na mistake. You don't know. Na mama na cause all those things. You don't know saying go come fall in love with the girl like this. Not be smart you. Me never see this kind of love with the boy now. They cry. They say one payment himself, the girl no marry him. He go payment himself. You see they call the girl to tomorrow, they beg him. Then the girl come call the mama say, so now because say you jogodo with son, that make you not agree, make I marry the boy before. And mama come they want they like they insult the girl. They tell her say, you know the suffer when I don't suffer follow. Then the girl come say, we suffer. You dey Europe. She be like, oh, if mama not dey Europe, you know they give her same money given like that. Now she they suffer by herself, you know. So my people, what will I go call this kind of mama? The boy now they cry, they say he want pay me himself. He want pay me himself. Say if the girl not marry him, he go pay me himself. My people, I don't understand that part. He say he go just pay me himself. The girl not marry him, and the matter where they grant be this one. So the girl now say no know what to do. So if now you where they wash me, now you go agree me your pikin marry that kind of person. You go agree. If you be mama, you go agree. Say me your pikin. No, if you be papa, you go agree. Me your pikin marry that kind of person. We don't go with him mama before. The matter it get a bill. The matter get a bill like the matter carry weight. I don't understand. The matter get a bill. Now the matter we just did. Now the girl say he no want marry again. The boy they beg him. The boy say the last call when they call her, he say want go take points the main job by himself. If the girl say no, say I beg. If now you where they wash me now you go agree. If now you where they wash me now, you go physically upset that kind of guy. Make him marry you. I don't know say this kind of love they kill. The boy want me. They beg the girl, make you forgive her. My people, and the matter, I beg, I go need an opinion. I beg, more than leave on a comment for the comment section. I beg, I really need an opinion for this matter. I want really know say if it good, make the girl go back to the guy, may go marry the guy, or may not go back because it don't just go to the 2 of them, and the girl too be love the guy too. But this one now they make the girl the fear. So my darling people, now the matter with the granite with this one. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. Thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your humble sister, your lovely sister. Thank you and bye. Share this video for me. Let this video go viral. Share this video for me. Bye.